Hi everyone. So I've been getting a lot of questions from students who either couldn't make it to the session on Wednesday. This is concerning the project, the CodeBreak project. So students who either couldn't make it to the session on Wednesday afternoon, or students who didn't get anything in their emails. Okay, I know most students did, but there were some students who didn't get anything. And they were asking me, well, how do I access the project, which is due Tuesday, right? So I'm going to create this video to kind of take you through step by step on exactly what you need to do. All right. So here we go. So first thing, you need to open up your website, the project website called code.org/break. Okay. So code.org/break. And when you click on it, then you'll come to this page. All right. Now we're going to scroll all the way down, and basically the activities and sessions from previous weeks are all archived on here. So as you can see, these these sessions started March 25th, okay, and they go all the way up to last week's, or this past week's Wednesday's session, which you are doing the project on, okay, episode 6. So from here, you're going to go click on Go Age 13 Plus. Okay. All right. And then from here, this is the video. This is what you need to be to watch in order to do the assignment. All right. And it's very interesting. To tell you the truth, though, the assignment part of the video is really the last about 15-20 minutes of the video. All right. So that's where they teach you how to actually start building a very basic website using HTML. All right, so you could watch it, stream it, or you can download the video, whichever way you want to. Okay. All right. Now, from here, you need to click on Continue. And then here are the instructions for the practice. All right. If you have time, it would be great to do this. However, this is not part of your project. Okay. So the actual link that you have to submit. Okay. Here they teach you what a protocol is, which is also very important. Internet protocols. Here's a web lab introduction. Okay, again, if you have time, it would be great to take a look at those. However, I'm going to take you straight to the website. Press continue again. And here is your website. Okay. Now I've already worked on this a little bit, as you can see, right? When you first work on it, you're going to see nothing. Okay. You're not going to have this heading here. By the way, H1, as was described in the video, H1 is your heading. Okay, H1, and you have to follow the exact format. Okay, so these, less than, greater than signs, right, with an H1. It could be capital or lowercase. I chose lowercase because everything else is lowercase here. And then your statement, your heading. And then you close it with another one of those statements, but now you have to do a front slash. Front slash H1. Okay, so H1 beginning up in the front and then a front slash H1. And that'll create, in this area, that'll create your header. Next, you want to put a text in. So a paragraph here is P, but again, when you close it up, you have to have that front slash P as well. Okay, that's just the way that HTML works. Okay, and then when you're ready to, then you can type your text in. And then if you want to create an image or you want to add an image, and you should, okay, so you can first, what you do is you add an image here. So you click on this, add image, and then you can go search. Okay, you can you have to actually, what you first have to do is you have to have an image on your computer, correct? And you have to put that somewhere. So when you press add image, then it's going to ask you, okay, where is it? Okay, I already have it in here. Okay, I already added in, so therefore it's not asking me where is it. Okay, so after you've added an image into this editor, then you can type the following. Okay, again, less than sign and IMG. Okay, capital IMG, and then SRC is equal to, and that's just asking where is the file, what is the name of the file. Okay, SRC equals piper.jpg in quotations, and then you can select the width percent. Okay, so I chose 70%. So width equals, and again quotations, 70% front slash greater than. And that's basically all I did in adding. Okay, adding things. I added a header, I added a paragraph, and I added an image. Now, okay, yours may look all just, the text may be all black, right? There's no style on there. So what you do is you go to the style CSS. And as you can see, I've changed up a couple of these, right? And I've added something. So for instance, color, I've changed it to blue. Font family, I've changed it to cursive. And font size, now this is something that was not covered in the video. If you want to change the font size, you have to, first of all, you have to determine what font size you want. And then you need to write a PX at the end. So I chose 30 and then PX. And that changed here. That changed my entire paragraph to a cursive 30 font in blue. Okay, please remember that when you separate the color, font family, and font size, you need colons, and then at the end you need semicolons. Now if you go down here to H1, those are now the styles that deal with the header. So in here, it should automatically be set to font weight is bold. All right. Color, I've changed that to dark red. And then font family, I've chosen what's called fantasy. Okay, and this is what I've changed. Now there's a lot of other things that you can do here. You can change the background color here if you want, and there's a lot of other things that you can do to make your website much fancier. But that's all you really need for this first assignment. Okay, again, so let me go back. You go back to the index and that'll take you to the original. All right, now you're ready. Now you're ready to share this with me, correct? So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this button called Share. If you click that button, now it gives you a link, correct? What you need to do is you need to okay, copy the link. All right, and it says here, copy. All right, and actually you can send it to your phone. So if you want to see it on your phone, you could send it to your phone. Press that and then press your phone number. See? Like that, and you can just type in your phone number, or you can scan this code, right? And then it'll be sent directly to your phone. You'll get a message, you click on it, and you'll have your website. But now you want to upload this to the assignment, so then you're going to go to your assignment page, right? Okay. So you go to the assignment page. Now your way, my way are a little different because of course I'm the teacher, so I have the teacher access and you'll have the student access. But you go here, and I'll just take this. I got to go to my assignments here. There's the CodeBreak assignment. All right. And again, these are some directions that I already saved, put for you here. Okay. Right click and then paste. And that's it. And then submit. And that's all you need to do. All right. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. But I hope that was clear enough so that everyone understands exactly what you need to do. Okay? All right. Take care.